How to post Strava activity on Instagram. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily share any kind of activity from Strava to your Instagram. First thing you have to do is head over to your Strava application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, all you have to do is find the activity that you want to share. So here on my home screen, I've gotten a few activities that I've added. What you can do is find them on the U section. So if you are on the progress tab, you'll be able to see the graph for your activities. So if I go to activities tab and then simply tap on the keywords, I'm able to see all of my activities here. So let's say if I want to share this activity morning run, I'm just going to tap on it. Then from here, you'll find the share option. Just tap on this. Now you can send this to a new chat or copy the link to your clipboard. So tap on copy to clipboard. Now once you've copied the activity, you can paste it anywhere you want. Or if you tap on share and tap on share to, you'll be able to share this on different platforms like Facebook, Instagram chats, and many more. And you could also copy the link. So once you've copied this, you can go to your Instagram and open it up. Now go to the story section. And then from here, you can just go ahead and tap on create. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a story here and then paste my Strava activity link. Tap on the stickers, go to links, and then simply paste the link right here. Tap on done. Now, once you've done that, if someone taps on this link, they will be able to see your activity on the Strava app. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.